Hello, local business owners. When someone searches roofers near me on Google, they don't read your website first. They look at ratings and reviews. If your competitor has a 4.8 rating with hundreds of fresh 5-star reviews and you're stuck at 4 stars with a few old ones, they get the call, not you. What if after every finished job, your customers receive a review request automatically and you never have to worry about manually asking for reviews? Reviews Zen solves that problem in minutes. All you have to do is to set it up once, and the software collects reviews from your customers fully on autopilot, and also replies to the reviews automatically, helping you rank higher on the Google search engines. So let me give you a walkthrough of this reputation management software. You can sign up for a free trial. Once you log in, you'll see this onboarding screen where you need to put in your company's name. For example, I'll put in Adams Plumbing. Select your category. For instance, we'll pick plumbing, then put in your phone number, select your country and city, and click on Continue. Next, we can connect my Google My Business account or enter your Google My Business review link. I'll skip that for now and do it later. Next, you'll see a demo of what the request email looks like. Next, you can add your customer's info like name, email, etc. Let me add one for demo purposes and click on Finish and proceed to the dashboard. From this dashboard, you can collect, manage, and automate your review requests easily. Let me walk you through the features one by one. This is the reviews section where all your Google Map reviews will automatically be shown. As soon as a customer writes you a review on Google, it will show up here, and the AI will automatically respond to your customer's review fully on autopilot so that you don't have to worry about manually replying to them. If a customer shares negative feedback, it will be collected under this private feedback section so that you can contact the customer and resolve their issues smoothly. The request section will help you send the review request to all your customers with a single click of a button. Now, the customers section stores all your customers' information. You can add the customer's info in 3 ways. Number 1, by entering it manually. Number 2, by uploading a CSV file of your customers. And number 3, by connecting your Jobber, QuickBooks, etc., and automating it completely. Next, you have a competitors section where you can track your competitors. You can either add your competitor's Google Maps link or enter the name and city of your competitor. Next, we have the email templates section where you can completely customize the email design, email copy, colors, style, fonts, and even upload your company logo. Okay, so next you have your integration section where you can connect your Zapier, Jobber, or QuickBooks to automate stuff like review request sending, etc. Next, you have a report section where you get a weekly report of reviews. Okay, now this is the interesting one. You also get a QR code feature in this software where you can create a QR code, customize the colors, fonts, styling, and branding, and download a print-ready card. This can be used by your customers to scan and give a review instantly. This makes the review collection process even more seamless and smooth. You also get a widget feature that can be integrated into your website. Using this feature, you can showcase your reviews on your website automatically and also collect reviews from your business website as well. You have the settings section where you can connect your business email and Google Business account. Reviews Zen is an amazing reputation management software that will help you gain more reviews, rank higher on Google search results, and increase brand value and reputation in the market. You can sign up and try it today.